Come now to another of our little results in the theory of equations playlist, and this time I want to solve the equation x cubed plus 3x squared minus 10x minus 24 equal to 0, given that two of the roots differ by 5. That is given there to assist you. Okay. Now, so let the roots be alpha plus 5, and beta. By the theory of equations, the sum of the roots has to equal minus 3, the coefficient of the x squared term. The product is 24. That's the negative of the constant term. And the sum of the product of the roots, taken two at a time, equals minus 10. Okay, so we can say the following. That 2 alpha plus beta plus 5 is minus 3, which leads to beta equal to minus 8 minus 2 alpha. And then alpha beta times alpha plus 5 is 24, which leads us to beta equals 24 over alpha times alpha plus 5. That's equation number 2. And lastly, multiplying the roots in pairs and then adding them up gives us alpha squared plus 5 alpha plus alpha beta plus 5 beta plus alpha beta is minus 10. Simplifying that, tidying it up, gives us alpha squared plus 5 alpha plus 5 beta plus 2 alpha beta is minus 10, from which we can quite easily get that the expression beta equals minus bracket 10 plus 5 alpha plus alpha squared, close bracket, all divided by 5 plus 2 alpha. That's equation number 3. Right, now we will use 1 and 3 to eliminate beta. Otherwise, we will end up with just another cubic equation. So we'll be back where we started. So just using 1 and 3, we quite easily get 10 plus 5 alpha plus alpha squared equals 5 plus 2 alpha multiplied by 8 plus 2 alpha, which comes to 40 plus 26 alpha plus 4 alpha squared. And then simplifying, getting everything to one side, 0 will equal to 30 plus 21 alpha plus 3 alpha squared. That can be divided through by 3 to give us 0 equals 10 plus 7 alpha plus alpha squared, which factorizes to 0 equals alpha plus 5 and alpha times alpha plus 2. So alpha is either minus 2 or minus 5. But if you look at the expression for beta number 2, if you put alpha equal to minus 5, the denominator will become 0 and beta will be infinite. So we choose alpha equal to minus 2 as the correct alternative. So that means if alpha is minus 2, alpha plus 5 will equal 3. And if we substitute alpha equal to minus 2 into any one of the three equations, 1, 2, or 3, it will all give us beta equals minus 4. And so our roots are minus 2, 3, and minus 4. And that ends it. Thank you for listening.